Good morning, Nihon. Today got a lot of fun stuff planned. Gonna be working all day, so maybe not a whole lot of fun stuff, but I'll bring you guys along with me. Only in Shibuya, y'all. Only in Shibuya. It's freaking cold out today, isn't it? Isn't it, boss man?
Yes, we have 10 degrees here in Shibuya. It's lovely weather there. I prefer this over the alternative, which is burning hot summers. So, kind of blessings.
I don't have any blessings to count. I'm cold.
Numeric.
I'm hungry.
Lice.
And all 5 of the people who watch it only 4 minutes in.
It's 9.
What?
9 people.
Oh yeah. I wonder if one of them's my girlfriend. Yeah, this is crossing, guys. There's so many. You can just see the phones up. Everybody just records like that. They walk like they're submarines with like the telescope up. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, that's funny. And that's where we're headed. Right there.
To another world?
The motherland. Ikea?
No, like the fantasy universe of Re:Zero.
Screw Re:Zero. Alright, I don't know if that's a hot take for some of y'all, but I hope it isn't. Jesus Christ. That scared the fuck out of me. That guy just sneezed bowed. I don't know if you guys like are super into Re:Zero or anything like that, but it is a terrible franchise. Do not like the series. Not a whole lot of redeeming qualities about it. Had some pretty passionate conversations with some people about this, but yeah, no. Re:Zero sucks. Thoughts?
It is okay.
No, I don't think it's a very good anime whatsoever. This.
Well, like I can see the flaws, but it is watchable.
I don't know if it's watchable. It's damn. But then again, I haven't really been into Dandadan actually. I haven't watched that one at all. Kind of turned off by it.
Yeah, it's like a low brain requires low.
So we live in Japan, so obviously we had to go and get some of the best food possible for lunch. Ikea meatballs. We're terrible. We're terrible, terrible people. And a challenger appears. How was your day, challenger?
My day was good. Like there are so many things to do.
That's good. She joined us at Ikea, but I forgot to record it. And now we are headed home.
Headed home.
Woohoo!
And freezing.
And it's very cold, actually.
Yeah.
How cold is it right now?
Right now, 7.
No. No, thank you. What's going on, y'all? If that's your real name. Look at what I got here. No, you dirty perverts. This is a massage gun, not the other thing. And it's really freaking nice, okay? You can like feel it in your ears, you know? I don't know if it's just me, or, I mean, if you put it like right here, it's kind of crazy. Whoa. And then I think you can also like gyrate your voice with it. Yeah. This is kind of like when you were younger and you'd like talk into a box fan. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. But that's enough. I've got to get back to work. And the lady friend, she's making herself some dinner. Da, 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 da.
Hello.
Stop looking at yourself. That's not where the camera is. Why? But she's recording me now. And I think it's because I'm doing a wonderful rendition of the villager from Minecraft.
I never played Minecraft.
That's when it's taking damage, by the way.
Also like a Joji.
Joji?
That monkey. You don't know that?
Oh, Curious George?
Oh yeah. Is it called Curious George?
Yeah, in English. I think it's French though. Yeah, but in English it's called Curious George. Probably the same in French.
We call Osaru no George.
Osaru no Joji.
Osaru no George. Monkey George.
でしょ？お猿の網。うん。
Osaru no Elda.
違います。わー！すごい！
Ta-da!
よしだ。
Yoshida?
よしだ。
Yoshida.
レロン
Good?
マリオ。
Yoshida!
Yes.
What?
よし
Why Yoshi?
だ。ペロンペロン。
Ah, dalang, dalang,
でしょ？
dalang, dalang.
じゃあいただきます。
Mush.
Alright, everybody, we just ate dinner. Look at her. Look at how cute she is. Stop looking at the screen. So there's a screen on the camera and she's always looking here instead of at the camera. So I have to turn her. No, it's just,
Girl stuff?
I feel like girl stuff.
Yeah, it's girl stuff.
I feel like that's girl
I
stuff.
need to
Because
go.
watch. See where your eyes go? Immediately. Alright, goodbye y'all. Have a good rest of your day, wherever you're calling in from. You're not calling in.